Hi. This is the beginning of our new 2-bedroom apartment renovation, and I'm so excited. If you can't tell. So for a really long time, my husband and I have lived in a very small, like under 500 square feet apartment, 1 bedroom. But anyway, let me give you a tour of the empty apartment, and everything is going to change. Floors will be ripped up, walls painted. I'm so excited. Yay. Can't wait. This is the living room and the cutest dining nook ever. I cannot wait to put a round table with some beautiful chairs. A place to have dinner. Figure out a really nice light. This is the kitchen. Now she is still kind of small, but it's bigger than our current kitchen. I will show you a video of our current space as well. But brand new cabinets, new countertop. Anyway, new. Everything will be new. Trying to figure out this situation because I don't like the fact that the wall ends here. I would love for it to be an entire backing right above the stove, so we'll figure that out. Gonna have a bigger fridge, so a smaller countertop here, but that's okay. So this is the other side, and I'm hoping that we're able to put LVT all throughout the whole apartment, but we'll see. We might have to do carpet. Closet there. Bathroom. Oh no, the light did not turn on. Oh, the power got turned off. Okay. The power's been turned off. We gotta wait until power gets turned back on. But this is the bathroom. It definitely needs an overhaul. It has a brand new toilet that we installed. We'll do new floors, new vanity, new mirror, all the things. And some of the paneling needs to be replaced because you can't tell in this light, but it's definitely warped a little bit. Oof. And we're gonna try to do some kind of respraying, or what's the word? Tub, because there's just a few areas where it's peeling up. Sorry, it's so blurry. Okay, another hall closet for linens. And this will be the main bedroom. She's cute. Cute. Nice big window. And mini split. And then this is going to be our office slash art studio. Another closet here. And this is the bigger room. But I think my husband's gonna put his office desk here for us both to work at, and then I'm gonna paint and have all of my art stuff here, and maybe have my easel there. I don't know yet. We have some updates. So my husband came home yesterday and did major demo while I was at work, so I didn't get to film all of that. There's a few more things to demo. The bathroom and one side of the kitchen. So let me show you that. Ripped up all the carpet, pulled out one side of the kitchen cabinetry. This floor is so rotted, so we're gonna have to replace this piece of plywood. But other than that, the subfloor looks really good. Anyway, so we still need to rip this out, but we have got this side of the kitchen torn out. And we've been collaborating on what to do with this opening, the little window. I don't think we have power. Nope, still no power. Okay. Had a good look up into the attic, see what's going on up there. I'm so out of breath when I do this. There we go, back to 0. Okay, so I have some things to get done today, and maybe later this afternoon. My plan is I am going to start taking out staples in the flooring Also, I have one more idea that I want to share as to the kitchen. This is the idea. Okay, so there's this shelf up here, and at first I was like, I'm getting rid of it. I don't like it. But part of me now thinks it's kind of cute. And I don't know, like what if I had a kind of metal rack hanging down and have the S hooks, the big S hooks for like all my pots and pans. Like would that look kind of industrial kitchen, restaurant kitchen style? They're all stainless steel, so I don't know, it's a thought. As for the walls though, I want everything to be white. We're gonna paint this, what is this, wainscoting? Paint it all white. I don't know what shade of white, if I wanna do white or if I wanna do like a slightly, this here I feel like is a little too creamy. A little too yellowy, buttery, I guess. That may be a different color. All right, I'm ready in my work clothes to go over to the apartment, and actually the first thing I'm gonna do is there are mold in one of the closets. It's on the ceiling and then it's also on the floorboard. Basically, I'm pretty sure because the previous tenants did not like to run their air conditioning, and so I think it just got too hot in there because we've looked up in the attic to make sure there's no leak coming in from the roof. So we're gonna do that first. More work was done by my husband. Man, no demo for you guys. So he tore out this side last night, and then in the bathroom, ooh, that's blown out, hold on. There we go. Okay, that's better. Then in the bathroom, let's see, do we have light? No.
Calls may be recorded. Are you calling about a gas emergency? Main menu, say pay bill by phone or press 1.
The situation that we are having here is we need electricity in the apartment so that we can work at night and get stuff done. And it was supposed to be turned on yesterday, and it is Friday at 4 p.m. and still nothing. Sorry, that's probably loud. But anyway, I'm on hold, but I have stuff to do.
We are currently experiencing higher than normal call volume.
Are you really?
Please visit.
Hey guys, it's been like 5 days. I don't even know where to start.